Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today and we were expecting a small bounce till 5650 levels, but now I think the bounce is already over, and now we are expecting the next leg on the downside till 5440, which will be a short-term target. The momentum indicator on the daily charts are on the sell side, so the strategy should be to sell on rise. A very crucial resistance, which is around 5660, is expected to hold, and I'll not be expecting a close above that because markets have formed a bearish island, and the resistance for that bearish island is 5660, and that would be a very negative sign for the markets if the gap is not filled in the short term. On the hourly charts, again a small triangular pattern has formed, and it is expected to break on the downside. The momentum indicator has already completed the upward cycle and expected to give a sell signal. As soon as the index starts forming lower tops, low bottom on the hourly charts, the momentum indicator on the hourly charts would give a sell signal, and the next leg on the downside would start. The resistance would be around 5635 and 5650 in the very immediate run, and on the daily charts 5660 would be a very crucial level to watch out for. So every 10-15 points there is resistance levels. So overall selling is expected at every level on the upside, and the strategy should be to sell on rise. Bank Nifty is again in a range, and now it is expected to break this range on the downside as the momentum indicator on the daily charts are on the sell side. It might just take resistance at the upper end of this range, which is around 11,800 levels, and then the next leg on the downside would start. The supports would be around 11,300. And the second support would be around 10,910. The resistance would be around 11,600 and 11,795. Stock specific action has been seen in Tata Motors, which has been selling very sharply since morning, and it has formed a head and shoulder pattern which is broken on the downside, a small triangular pattern on the right shoulder which is also broken on the downside, low tops low bottom formation on the hourly charts, and the momentum indicator on the hourly charts on the sell side. So overall the strategy on this stock should be to sell on rise. Support should be around 254 and 245. Resistance would be around 260 and 264. ICICI Bank again similar to bank index, and this stock has broken this range on the downside, taken resistance at 40 and 20 daily moving average. The momentum indicator is on the sell side, so the next leg on the downside is expected to start soon. Support should be around 1008 and 965. 965 would be the short term target. The resistance would be around 1054 and 1075. Thank you so much.